This biker got spotted doing wheelies on public road, and instead of chasing him, the officer had a different approach.
Music on. Huh? Alright, my bad. You cool, my bad. Hey, I would put you on the chase, but you know, I'm chilling. I respect you. I said, I would put you on the chase, but I respect you. You seem cool, cool.
I would've chased, I can't chase a motorcycle, nobody.
Appreciate it, bro. Are you young as
While heading home from a bike meet, this rider was stopped after being flagged down for slightly exceeding the speed limit.
How you doing?
Just put your hands on here real quick.
What was that?
Behind your head. Your hands behind you. You ain't got no weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
Right.
I have the registration in my pocket, in my wallet. Oh, sorry. Would you like to see it?
Yep.
Got you.
Alright, man. At least when we stop you for your speed.
Okay.
Alright. You like Latinas?
Yeah.
Where are you headed right now? Hey, do me a favor, bro.
I'm going back home.
Take your helmet off.
Yes, sir.
Where are you coming from?
I came from Pomona.
Where are your other boys? Where's your other homies?
What homies?
The ones you were riding with. What do you mean, what are those homies?
Those were randoms I found.
Randoms you found.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're all riding. You have your license?
Yeah.
Where'd you find them?
It was
Off
at
for a marketplace. Craigslist.
Nah, I was at a car meet.
The one on Fairplex?
Honestly, I don't know the address.
You just went to a car meet? You don't know how you got there?
No, well, I had directions.
So what address did you put in the car? Was it in Pomona?
It was Pomona.
At the parking ride? Was it in a parking lot?
Well, yeah, they're always in a parking lot.
But like, wait, like was it in a parking ride? Off the freeway?
A park and ride?
Yeah, next to a motel?
No.
Where was that?
It was in front of a grocery store.
You didn't know the other guys you were riding with?
Nah.
You guys was all going the same way?
Yeah. How's your guys' night been?
Not too bad, huh? Yours?
It's been alright.
How long you been riding for?
Almost 2 years now.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
You laid down at all?
Yeah, I was down 6 months. I just bought this bike, I want to say like 3 months ago.
Like, what happened? You got hit or you just
I have no memory of it.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn.
So I just woke up in the hospital. Yeah. But yeah.
You said the meetup was in front of a grocery store. Pomona?
Pomona or like almost West Covina. I'm not sure really. It was, I forgot the name of the city.
So you just met the other guys at the meetup. Good answer, bro. Good answer. They just happen to all be on the same one.
Oh, I'm being
Alright,
serious.
dude. You're getting a warning today just for your speed. Right.
Oh, okay.
We had you at 76 when we got right behind you, but we went well over that before then, right?
Oh, okay.
You had slowed it down.
Yeah, I'm alright. I honestly didn't see you until I turned around.
Just be safe.
Careful
right?
on that, man. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. You guys have a good one.
You sir. You get any good footage today or what?
Did I get good footage?
Did you get any good footage?
Not really. It was just me cruising.
Despite being clearly caught overspeeding, the rider remained calm and respectful, which ultimately led to a warning instead of a ticket, even as he later admitted he did not have the M1 license. While riding his show bike, this rider was stopped by a police officer after it was noticed that bike was not fully road legal.
Sorry?
Can you fix the license plate?
Yeah, I just 3D printed it, so I'm just testing it out because it's a show bike.
You 3D printed what?
The bracket.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's a magnetic one, So, because it's a show bike, so I can take it off and swap it for a cover. So I appreciate it though. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's still here.
This motorcycle cop wasn't letting anyone slide. Even with 2 guys already in custody, he was still focused on stopping others.
Your plate's not supposed to be like that. It's invisible to the person behind you.
I'm sorry? I can bend it.
Yeah, you need to. This plate needs to be bent back too, alright? It needs to be vertical, it needs to be visible to the person behind you, alright?
Okay.
Because what I think is when I pull you over that you're gonna end up running. Alright?
Yeah,
It's not a good look on you.
I understand.
Where you guys headed to today?
We're gonna go to a road to shoot some videos with the bikes. There's like an empty road. I think it leads to a Skechers factory. Yeah. Alright, thank you. You can clearly see my plate right there. I mean, look it from the side. He said he wants it, like, it has to be pretty much vertical. It's almost there, maybe it's off by like 5 or 10 degrees.
An empty road at night can feel like perfect chance to push a bike. But as this biker found out, there is always someone watching.
Yes, sir.
You know why'd you pull over, dude?
Yeah, I apologize.
Are you good? You got a driver's license on you?
I sure do. How you doing?
Good, how are you, dude?
Good. Yeah, let me take my helmet off for you.
Where you headed to?
I was going home.
What'd you top out at?
What is this one top out at?
No, like when you're coming up.
50.
You got insurance on you?
Yes, sir, I do. I appreciate it, man.
No, there's no cars or anything like that. I know it's dark. I'm just gonna give you a warning.
I appreciate it.
Not really bikes.
Really?
Yeah, because most of the time they just take off.
So where are you gonna pull me over?
Probably all the way up by.
Did you catch my speed or no?
No.
No, just loud.
No.
Okay, fair enough.
Well, if he actually went, I was like, gonna stop.
Really?
The rider ahead missed the chance to stop and talk to the cops and choose to run instead, which is never a smart move.
Alright, I'm just checking. In the meantime, why are you speeding? Why is your plate folded off?
What?
Why are you speeding? Behind me pacing you, you're going 90 miles an hour. 65. Also, your plate is folded up. You can't even read it. No excuse.
No, I'm down. I apologize.
Alright, wait here. Alright, getting a ticket for the plate. it down here, you understand?
These bikers got stopped for lane splitting and ended up with tickets that could even lead to license suspension. Take a look.
Alright, multiple issues.
Yes, sir.
It's illegal to split lanes in this state. That's reckless driving. What you guys just did is reckless driving. So I need license, registration, proof of insurance for both of you.
When you run the van, would you be able to tell there's insurance on it?
You have insurance on it for what you just showed me, right?
Just a question.
I can check through registration, but you're required to have it by state law.
I understand that. I was just wondering. He was asking, that's why.
If you guys hadn't driven down between cars at a stupid rate of speed, we wouldn't be having an issue right now. But now
This just sounds like it's...
you aren't allowed to go between cars, and you guys went through 5 or 6 cars. What you guys just demonstrated was reckless driving. You had no regard for the safeties of others while you were doing
I disagree with that. I understand.
Well, you can disagree all you want.
In the end, this biker took the case to the court, and the judge dismissed it after reviewing the video. This biker got pulled over for speeding, but the cop didn't have him on radar, so it leaves the question, can he even get a ticket without proper proof?
Alright, I assume you already know.
No.
You don't know. I'm also fake Tallahassee. Police Department is going to stop you is you are flying. No, you're speeding. Okay. You can't tell me you're not, because you almost busted on Hartsfield. I saw you see me and slam on brakes and you almost lost it.
Hard as
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Verbal warning. Please slow down. I don't want you to end up in a tree. Okay, that's all.
He didn't write me a ticket because he didn't get it on radar. He's letting me off because he can't fight that shit in court. Yeah!
Instead of making a big deal about dirt bikes on the street, this cop handled it the right way and chose to give advice instead of handing out tickets.
Don't run, just don't run. Fine. You're fine, just don't run.
What's up, guys?
What's up? How are you doing, officer?
Good, how are you guys?
I'm doing amazing.
Good, you know you can't ride these around here, right?
I was not aware, officer.
Well, he said he knows. You weren't aware?
No.
Okay.
I know, I'm just taking him home.
Okay, where do you guys live at?
I live like all the way down there.
All the way down where?
Like in if you were to go to the right and then up the street, it'd be like down there.
Okay. And then do you live by him as well?
I live in
Over here, so you're riding him home and then you're going back over there to take him home? Okay. Are you guys parents home?
I'm not sure if mine
You're not
are.
sure? Okay. So how about this? How about I follow you home and then I'm going to go talk with you and your parents, okay?
Okay.
Because, yeah, we just get a lot of calls around here, kids riding these dirt bikes and stuff like this, and I know they're really cool and they're a lot of fun and everything like that, but unfortunately you can't have them, especially like in the park and stuff like that.
Okay.
Okay? So I'll flip around real quick. Like I said, I'll just follow you guys home and then I'll just talk to mom and dad. That way I can let them know that you guys can't have them out here, and then that way everybody kind of knows what's going on, okay?
Okay.
All right, guys, give me 1 second.
Click here to see the next Police vs. Bikers episode. It might be even crazier than this one. Like, comment, and don't miss what happens next.